Hello everyone, welcome to bitojam. I'm Sanjana. In today's video, I'll be showing you my vibes board for the month of January. I'm terribly late this time and I don't want to give any excuses, but the good news is that I have prepared a schedule from February and hopefully I'll be able to stick to it. I'll be uploading the vibes board videos at the beginning of every month or at the end of previous month. Just to give a little bit of background, I create a vibes board every single month to set a theme or intention for that month. This will be based on what I want to do or the habits that I want to develop, some quotes and inspirational pictures as well. I used to upload these videos on Instagram stories or IGTV in 2018. If you want to have a look at them, you can head over to my Instagram account. I'll be explaining more about the vibes board and the process of how I do it in the coming videos. Make sure to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss them. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.